How's it going, everybody? Heading up Hicks Road, ultimately heading for Mount Umunhum. It's been a long time coming. Been intending on heading this way. I hear there's some good stuff. I'm still on the Supermoto tires, so I won't be doing the whole ride up to Loma Prieta and then back down to Santa Cruz the other way, although I don't think it's anything too aggressive. I could probably do it with the Supermoto tires without too much trouble. But anyhow, been trying to make it up this way or trying to drag my girlfriend up here to go hiking, but it hasn't worked out so far. So I'm headed it alone. I'm not hiking today, but just scoping it out, more or less. See what's going on. I hear there's some good hiking up here. Also down below on this road, there's some more hiking trails with looks like some kind of interesting stuff to see along the hiking trails, like old Mexican cemetery and Hangman's Tree, some kind of tunnel and some kind of shaft, like a mining shaft, somewhere out there on the trail. I'll have to check that out one of these days too. Wish I could ride the bike down there. Not in Santa Cruz, Los Gatos. Maybe I should say California. Seems like frowned upon to be on a motorcycle on a trail, so none of that. But anyway, it should be a fun ride to that area, and then one of these days I'll get on my feet, walk out there to find out what it's really about. Loving these new ASV controls, levers. Just feels so much more ergonomic than the stalkers. Oh yeah, here's the reservoir. That's the other thing I forgot to mention, some kind of reservoir out here. Not sure if there's anywhere you can see it. Let's see, maybe here. Damn! Mount Umunhum. Yeah, so if you go into the parking lot over there, there's lots of trails for some good stuff, I think. Sierra Azul. the box. Well, that was pretty interesting. Apparently that big cement building was old radar building for the Air Force. I guess the Air Force came up here and made a real mess of things, flattened out the mountain and built a bunch of buildings, and then left a bunch of trash when it was time for them to leave. But well worth the trip. I highly recommend it. There's some pretty amazing views up here of Alameda and San Jose, maybe even further if it wasn't so if it was a clearer day. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. I recommend it. Mount Umunhum. But I'll end this one here. Until next time, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.